everyone. I'm going to change layout theme. This will give you a room and space, so we can see a much bigger space. This is the text, and when you click here, you will see there is a new addition of the quick 3D text option. Click here and you will see this is the 3D animated text. And double click here. See how you can change each and everything in this edit control panel. Font and font size. This is the vertical and horizontal texting option. This is the way to italic. And this is the preset of 3D materials. And you can use any of them. First, you have to download 3D material look. There is the icon to download. You can download your selected one, and you can apply. I have downloaded few of them. Let's try and apply it. See how it looks now. And this is the options to transform text. You can change the size easily. And here's the control of X position and Y position. This is a 3D animation. You can add the animation from preset animation. And here is the in and out animation duration. Let's try duration in and out. In Advanced Edit, you will find out similarity of Edit Text panel. Filmora 12 provide you control panel to see all the feature which is included in this quick 3D text panel. Let's apply this text at any video footage. This is a cool hello world. That's it. See you in our next video.